I got my first 100 subscribers within 2 weeks, but now I have more ways of getting 100 subscribers even within a week or less than a week. I also had 90 something subscribers within just a day, and I have evidence here. So, in today's video, I want to talk about how to get subscribers fast, getting subscribers on YouTube very fast, methods of how to get subscribers fast. I don't want to tell you get subscribers, 100 subscribers in a day, because in some cases it's possible and in some cases it's not possible. So everyone are not the same. Not all content are the same. Not all niches are also the same. So I want to take you through how you can simply make your first 100 subscribers, or if you're bothering about doubling your subscribers, if you're on 200 subscribers, 500 subscribers, and you want to get going as day goes by, it's very possible for you. This video is for you. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like, drop a comment on the video where you don't really understand. If you have other questions, you drop, give me a big thumbs up, and then share for the video to go viral and then meet other people. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, getting 100 subscribers in 7 days, it lies under on top different things. And then let me start from the first thing you're going to do. The first thing you're really going to do is, number one, you should have a nice niche. Not all niches really go viral on YouTube. Not all niches are so appealing to people on YouTube, especially if you are going into a niche of teaching. You see it's barely there. Like, people don't really bother about teaching. Maybe you're teaching English, you're teaching mathematics, or you're doing history. It's not that viral. But these are the niche I'm going to mention now are niches that are really going viral on YouTube, which is a comedy niche, which is a vlogging niche, cooking niche, entertainment niche, be it music, wedding events, and all of that. News also comes in. And then one of the most, let me say, engaging niche, which people do see as if it's not really relevant, but it pays more, is tutorial niche, especially when you're talking about YouTube. Yeah, when you're talking about YouTube itself, that is one of the highest niche on YouTube. Money niche, people do talk about finance, how to make money. Those are niches that are really going viral on YouTube. So you have to be on the right niche, be a faceless channel or a channel that you do show your face, but you still have to be on the right niche. So, the second thing you really need to do is making a tangible video, making a video that is appealing, making a video that is going to stand out, not any video. Sometimes you see, I might record a video, delete the video, record again. Probably sometimes after editing the video, I'll find out this video is not that okay for me. I still delete and still record it again. Sometimes I might post a video, schedule it to come up live tomorrow, and then along the day, I'll go back, cancel the schedule, and delete the video. Why? Because it wasn't okay for me. That's why most times you really need to focus on the video you're creating. So another thing, or still under the video, what you really need to do more is, long videos don't really get subscribers. It's hard for you to have enough subscribers on your long form videos. It's easier for you to have subscribers on your shorts. You can have subscribers on your short within, like, before you know it, you're on 1,000 subscribers from your shorts. But if you're really focusing on long form videos, I would advise you, and once you know you've gotten to your 1,000 subscribers, focus more on your long form videos. Focus more on your long form videos. Don't really focus on your short, because short doesn't pay as high as long form videos. The revenue for short is lower than the long form videos. So just focus more so that you can, number one, you can start having subscribers from your long form videos who are going to be watching your video. Because if you keep having subscribers from your shorts, then that means you are not going to have viewers on your long form video. So, but as a starter, do more shorts, go into shorts. So, still under creating shorts, create shorts that are under viral content. Like, we have content that are going viral at a particular time. Probably this week, there is a particular sound that might be going viral. There is a particular comedy that is going viral. There is a particular saying that is going viral. So you jump on trending content, jump on trends, things that are trending, especially something related to your niche. There are some things that are trending that are not really related to your niche, but you can tweak it, you can turn it around and it relates to your niche. So like for me, I'm into tutorials and then I see a trending content, probably music that is really trending and people are getting subscribers from it. So what do I do is I will make a video of myself, then pointing my hands, talking about YouTube with write-ups, and then I will put the music under. So I'm going to use that music to create a video on my own niche and it still goes viral. I still have what I need. So apart from that, the next thing I want to really talk about is this one. A whole lot of people don't really take it to be important. Yeah, I've seen a whole lot of people, content creators, they don't really take it to be important. This one is one of the most easiest way to have subscribers. Like, it's so easy that within few hours you can gain subscribers that you never thought of. My students, when I told her, okay, you should try this, and what I want to talk about is live, going live on YouTube. A whole lot of people have neglected going live on YouTube. Like, I don't know why, but most people do say I can't go live. I find it difficult to stay live, talk to people, and it depends on your vibe. My student went live on YouTube and she had 160 something subscribers on a 3 hours live. Imagine that. For me, the highest I had was 50 something subscribers on about it was about 5 hours live. I had 15 something subscribers, and I had over 100 subscribers in 4 days going live on YouTube. That is the fastest way. Even on Facebook, it's still the same thing. You can have a whole lot of followers from going live on Facebook, like very, very fast. So going live on YouTube really helps to double your live and also double your watch hour. Yeah, today I'm talking about subscribers on YouTube. Yeah, it helps to double your subscribers and also watch hour. So I don't want to go into the aspect of watch hour. I'm talking about subscribers today. So it helps a whole lot to double your subscribers. So if you're into vlogging niche, you go live and do your vlog. While you're doing your vlogging, you go live. If you're into cooking, you go live while you're in the kitchen cooking or event cooking. If you're into tutorials, you go live and be talking, doing tutorials while you are live. You get people that are watching you who are also content creators, upcoming content creators, who choose to subscribe to you. People that love food will choose to subscribe to you. People that love vlogging with the vibe you have will also subscribe to you. You see that you grow fast, very, very fast by going live because when you are live, you sound authentic. You meet people, you bring out the vibe in you, you make people feel happy. A whole lot of people will tend to watch you. But notice this, when you start live at first, it's not going to be as it should be. Like, it's not going to be really out there for you. You might face some challenges of low views. People will come in, go out because they don't know you yet. And when you are live, expect that it takes time. Like sometimes it might take you four lifetimes for you to when I say four lifetimes, I'm not talking about you being dead and coming back live. Talking about going live like 4 times to 5 times before you see people start coming up on your live. People will have a whole lot of people on your live. So live gives subscribers like so much. Yeah. And there's another thing people don't really know. Community tab on Facebook. Facebook brought up communities that you can chat with your community, you can discuss with your community, you drop posts. I can drop a post on your own community and you can drop a post on mine. So all those pictures you see, pictures of this, picture of myself, and all of that, people can subscribe from there because there are people that probably they might not stumble on your video, they might not stumble on your shots, but they stumble on your picture, on the community picture. And then from there, they choose to look at your channel. From there, they like it and choose to subscribe. So these are just few ways of gaining subscribers from YouTube. It's just simple. It's just so simple. So I'm not going to today. I'm not going to talk about sharing your post to this platform, doing this and all of that. It's strictly inside YouTube itself. So don't always wait for YouTube to push. Start by yourself. Start pushing it yourself. Show working. Yeah, really show working. Remember, I talked about the content, your niche, the niche you are, the content, your content matters a lot. Then jump on trends, trending topics, trending things, trending videos, jump on trends, go live. Yeah, the most important, go live. And then your community tab, it's also very, very important. So that's all for today. Kindly like the video, give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed to my channel before. then comment. Drop a comment on the comment box. I'll get to reply to you. You can share the video to reach a wider audience and also help me to go viral. Thanks so much for doing this. Have a lovely time. See you in my next video, and bye for now.